In this video, we will learn how to use contextual task bar in Photoshop. First, unlock the background layer by clicking on the lock icon. Now go to the window. Click on Contextual Task Bar. Click on Select a subject from Contextual Task Bar. You can see that the image has been selected. Click on Create Marks from the selection. The background has been removed. Now click on Remove Background to remove the background directly. Click on the Edit Background icon to change the background color. Click on Transform the image. Now rotate the photo and flip it vertically and horizontally from this option. Click on the Adjustment Layer icon. Edit the photo as need from the adjustment. Edit the photo as needed from the adjustment.